Hey guys, welcome back. So today we do have some updates on the Bobcat and what's been going on with that, as well as we're going to welcome some new family members to the flock today. Alright, so if you remember last week, we were going to put this cage out for a couple of days just to see how it does. We baited it, we put feathers, everything in it. Well, those 2 days that we left it out, we tried even a couple different places for it. We tried right next to the coop, inside kind of where the chicks were, and nothing, no dice, it didn't work. So before we go out, I did want to show you guys this as well. We did finally move our 7 chicks that we got from someone here in town. They're a combination of naked neck chicks as well as a few Americanas. We got 7, and then we built this box out of just scrap lumber and chicken wire, and we put them in here. We actually coated it with what's that Flex Seal stuff, so that way it's a little bit rubbery on the sides and stuff, so we can clean it out pretty easily. But this is what we got set up for them. This is kind of the intermediate stage for our chicks. We also got a bunch of chicks, so that was exciting. We wanted to get some more Easter egger type chicks, so we got some green queens. They are a special breed made by Meyer's Hatchery. I don't know how you pronounce it, but they specifically lay green eggs, and they come in all different colors: white, black, brown. Actually, chickens and feathers. They're really beautiful, but they lay only green eggs. So we got those. We got them from the post office and brought them home and put them inside. So we now have basically 4 populations of chickens. We have our hens, which are in their hen house. They have the big area in the chain link back there. We have our 2-month-old chicks, which have the section in the back with that wooden structure that basically where the Bobcat was. We have our basically 5-week-old chicks that we bought that were a little older. They were about a month. And those are the ones we just showed you. And then we have our day-old chicks inside. Because our goal is that we do want to start raising chicks to eat, as well as to lay lots of eggs. Let's go out and take a look in the back, and we'll see how everything is doing back there.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just want to say that I feel.
Holy cow, we got a couple of bales of hay. One of them we're using, we have it separate, but the other one we left in here, and they made a mess. Look at that. Jeez. One thing you learn about chickens, they love to scratch, especially with hay or straw. Yeah. The other thing that we're going to do is attach a latch to the chick coop, because it does get really windy here, and the other day it actually lifted the top off of this.
Hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better.
Holy cow, it is really windy out there. Sorry. So I'll get everything taken care of out there. I'm not going to worry about the shade cloth for now, but as soon as it starts getting darker and the chicks and hens all go in their coops, I'll go out there and I'll bait the trap, and I'll put the trap back out there, and we'll see how it does in the morning. I'll try and get some footage of it tonight if it does come back though. So yeah, that's it. We'll see you guys in the morning then.
Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December, and the sound of the falling snow, the fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box, your old broke down touring bus, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now.
Well, good morning, guys. So surprise, our Bobcat is no longer here. I don't know where he's at. He hasn't been here for like 2 days since we saw you guys last, so I don't know. But I tell you what, we're going to keep putting the trap out for a little bit. Until then, we're actually going to start working on a little aviary for our chickens. So we're going to cover our chain link fence with some 2x4s and 4x4s for posts on the ground, and then chicken wire, so that way everything is covered. and so that there's even no chance of bobcats now. So hopefully in the meantime, either A, just doesn't come back, or we can catch him and get rid of him. So yeah, so I'm gonna go back with a bunch of stuff I got at the hardware store for that, and we'll go ahead and get started.
Shiny stars over us, just a dream guiding us, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack.
All right, well, we got the first part of our aviary done. It took only about a few hours, so it'll slowly get done over the next week or so as we add more beams and go back to the store and get all that completed. But for now, yeah, we'll just see how it does. Well, good morning. Yeah, nothing in the bobcat trap, but we definitely get another surprise. We got some snow last night. It's actually still snowing, so Ella wanted to come out and check it out.
We had was tight. Every bad thing and every good, I wouldn't change it if I could.
So thanks for joining us this week. We really appreciate it. We got a lot done on our aviary for our chickens, and in the coming weeks you're going to see a lot more work done on that. For now, we're going to enjoy the snow. We're probably going to take the trap out of the chicken area just because the bobcat has not come back, and just hope for the best. So thanks a lot, y'all, for watching. We really appreciate it, and you guys have a good one. Thanks, guys, for watching. We really appreciate it. If you like this content and want to see more of it, click the subscribe button down here, and make sure to turn on bell notifications to get notified when all of our videos do come out each and every week. Also, go ahead and check out the video that YouTube recommends for you over here, as well as our most recent video to your right.